Hello and welcome to How to Start a Home Yoga Practice. My name is Lauren Lapointe and thank you so much for being here. Have you been wanting to deepen your yoga practice and bring more of a mind-body connection to your everyday life? Have you been thinking about starting a home yoga practice, but you're not really sure how to go about doing that or where to begin? In this course, we're going to look at how to get you onto your mat and into a fun and fulfilling and regular home yoga practice. This is not a how to do yoga course, but rather a how to start a home yoga practice course. We're going to look at the nuts and bolts of starting your own home yoga practice so that you'll know exactly what to do and how to get going with it. And by the end of the course, you'll have your own home yoga practice up and running, and you'll have all of these tools and resources available to you so that you'll be able to continue and evolve your home practice on your own. So thank you so much for being here. I look forward to seeing you in the course ahead. Thanks again and see you soon.